మంగళం.
सर्वांक नमस्कारू. श्री संस्थान गोकर्ण पर्तगाळी जीवोत्तम मठ अंतु चलतश्च सार्धपंचशतमानोत्सवाक दामोदर देवस्थान दुखून मंजुनाथ मामे येऊन पावलींती. नमस्कारू. आज ही कसन एक नांदी दर्शन असं ताजी बदल आमगेल वीक्षकांक एक दोन उत्तर आमगेल अभिप्राय.
पयलीं हांव डेव्हलपमेंटाचेर आनी जे पळय नवें कितें हांगा दिसता ताजेर उलयतां. जे आमी पळयतात ते आमी इट इज बियॉन्ड आवर इमॅजिनेशन. वॉट इज डन बाय स्वामीजी एंड his vision is beyond. Swamiji is Swamiji, yes, and the vision of our Swamiji is beyond imagination. Okay, so it is great. I have no words to express what I feel here, coming here, looking at the Ram statue, the highest in Asia. Then the development. We used to come here as kids, and we have grown coming here. The development what we see overnight is. It is na bhuto na bhavishyo. I don't think any I'm not underestimating any other mutts or any other Swamijis, but this is unimaginable. And advantage with our Swamiji is young and dynamic, and so we expect much more development happening in the coming years. Not that I'm saying that this is less. This is like amazing. This place is like we can proudly say that we belong to Partagali mutt. Okay, it is amazing. That's it. What more to say? Like each and every detailing has been taken care of. Now, even a critic coming here will not have anything to write about what is wrong. Everything is correct. There is nothing called wrong here. Swamiji has written off the word wrong in what has been done. Like imagining something and putting it in actual. Is there is a perfection in this. Like it is like we also imagine so many things, but when putting it in practical, it doesn't happen. Seriously, I'm not boasting. I'm not trying to praise Swamiji, but this is a sincere feeling that every detailing has been taken care of. Like toilet, you think of the toilet is towards your canteen, whatever the finish and medical facility, everything. Like there is nothing which is left undone. So it is like only God and Swamiji together can get it. About Nandi now, there are 15 temples singing their traditional Nandis here, and 2 Nandis have been set by the organizers. We were just checking the mic and the stage. It is perfect. Like everything here is perfect, no complaint. Now only thing we have to go and perform, and it is our privilege and it is our what you call it, it was destined in our destiny to be here on this day and sing on that stage our Nandi. Like we used to sing our Nandi on a smaller stage for the Natak. You know how it is traditional. Here we are like in Bollywood doing it. Okay. And thanks to Swamiji, and I hope the things go on like whatever Swamiji has in his mind. We cannot imagine it. All things will come through, and Swamiji is God, and all the gods who are placed in this Pavan Bhumi of Goa will support Swamiji, and we all Mahajans of all the temples are with Swamiji, and we will be there as available as and when. And this is a great moment for us, for GSBs. This is something out of this world. Forget GSBs, people non GSBs, non-Hindus, Catholics, Muslims, everybody is praising the mutt today. Like we being in Goa and we being in market, we've been hearing from, we feel proud every minute. Like people talk, people appreciate. This will be a mutt come a tourist attraction in the long run. Swamiji has got plans to develop this. Like everything will fall in place. This is what we see, just I think so 70-80%. The more 20%, and it will happen, and Swamiji will make it happen. Jai Ram and Jai Damodar.
धन्यवाद. थँक्यू.